how to stake Vechain step by step. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be explaining to you everything that you need to know about Vechain staking. If you hold Vechain or if you're interested in buying Vechain, you can learn about exactly how to stake Vechain and increase your earnings. At the end of the video, guys, I'll be touching on the rewards that you can expect, and then I'll be using this calculator to explain to you, potentially how much earnings you can be making staking Vechain. I'll also touch on the risks of staking. So again, there's benefits to staking. You increase the amount you can make if Vechain goes up and if you're holding Vechain, but I'll touch on some of the risks as well. And then, guys, at the end of the video, it won't be a Rockstar Trading Channel video if I don't share my price prediction and my targets for Vechain. I'll be sharing with you exactly how we've been trading Vechain in the Rockstar Trading group. In the YouTube channels, I'll share with you exactly when we're buying and selling. Vechain breakout out of 20 cent was a huge trade for us. I'll be touching on that and sharing with you what my thoughts are going forward with Vechain. Again, I post in the YouTube channel, I can post exactly when things are going up or down. In the Rockstar Trading group, I posted exactly when Vechain was breaking out of the key 2 cent level, and since then Vechain has gone up a lot. You can check the date of when I made that post and then the huge breakout we've seen on Vechain out of 2 cents. I'll end the video on a Vechain price prediction, and if you are interested in the Rockstar Trading group, especially with Bitcoin going up, and if we do get that elusive altcoin season, it could be an opportunity of a lifetime. We've not seen markets like this in since 2017. So if you are interested in the Rockstar Trading group, I'll leave the links below. Now let's get into Vechain staking video. So guys, Vechain is one of the most popular coins, and it's one of my fundamentally favorite coins. And the reason why is, guys, lots of cryptocurrencies talk about what they'll do in the future. Vechain is actually striving for adoption. They've got huge partnerships. They're actually trying to have use cases, and we can see the adoption in Vechain. That's why I like Vechain so much, and we always trade Vechain in the Rockstar Trading group. Vechain staking is slightly different than other staking videos. Again, I'll make a Cardano one. That was the most requested one. Again, comment below if there's any other staking videos you're interested in. I made a Zilliqa one. I'll make another one. But Vechain is slightly different. So Vechain uses a 2-token model. So Vechain is used as a payment method in the Vechain ecosystem and allows users, stakers, to earn Vechain Thor. Users use VThor to pay for transactions, sending Vechain-based tokens or sending data on smart contracts. So it's slightly different. Vechain staking is very simple. I'll explain to you in a couple of different wallets that you can use to stake Vechain. But one of the things I want to point out is the benefit of this 2-token model. So this is used to prevent fees for using blockchain. We've seen other tokens struggle with this. This 2-token system helps with that. Vechain blockchain can be guaranteed of a stable transaction fee, while Vechain token can increase in value. So that's a really beneficial way of Vechain staking, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a staking expert. I don't stake that much, but again, that's something that I particularly like on Vechain. There's few different models for Vechain, and that depends on earnings. If you're just staking Vechain, you earn certain amounts. But if you're looking to run nodes, different types of nodes, this website, I'll leave this link below if you are interested in Vechain running nodes. It's slightly complicated, and not many people, if you don't have that much experience in it, you might not be able to run a node. But running nodes can definitely increase the reward that you can get. So again, I'll touch on this non-node explanation that I use when I use the staking rewards. But again, you can see the rewards that you can get running a node can be a lot more. The thing is, you'll need to own a lot more Vechain to do that. If you're running a authority node or X node, I think is the minimum one, you need a lot more Vechain. I think you need a minimum of 25 million Vechain tokens to be able to do that, and that gives you the highest Vechain Thor production rates and voting rights. So there's different ways. If you are interested in this, I'll leave the links below, and I could make a detailed video on running nodes, but in this video I'm going to touch on the simple one of Vechain token, and then when I use the staking rewards, I'll touch on that if you're just non-node staking. So let's talk about a couple of examples now. So this is Exodus. So if you're hodling, so I'm assuming if you're trading Vechain, you can have it on exchanges, and on Binance you can earn using Binance Earn. You can look into that as well. But I'm assuming that if you're looking to stake Vechain, you want to take your Vechain off exchanges and hold it in a wallet. So I'm giving a couple of examples of wallets. So Exodus, from my research, looks like a strong wallet, and I've personally used this as well. So this seems to, in my opinion, please do your own research. research before you use Exodus, but in my opinion it looks like a very strong wallet. So again, you could use the official Vechain Thor wallet, and I'd probably recommend that if you're just looking to Vechain. I know some people are just investing in Vechain and not other cryptocurrencies. You could use Vechain Thor or use both, you know. So if something goes wrong, your money is spread across. In the Rockstar Trading channel, first thing I teach is, you know, I'm not saying join my group, you'll be a millionaire. It's just protecting your wealth. If you have all your money in one exchange, one wallet, so let's say you have $100,000 and you have everything in a one Binance account, and if something happens to that Binance account, you might lose all your money. So I say, you know, have 5-6 different Binance accounts and other exchanges and spread your money across. So that could be something that you can do. That's a security advice I give all my Rockstar traders and any crypto investors. So make sure you do that. But so that's a wallet that you can use. In this example, I'm showing Exodus because, you know, it gives you more options. Some of the wallets I'll touch on. There's other cryptocurrencies that you can use. So how to stake Vechain is very simple. You need to download Exodus. There's a very good video on here. You can check it out. You can, again, if you type in Exodus, it's very simple to set it up. There's tutorial as well if you want to use it on your mobile phone. What you need to do is enable Vechain and Vechain Thor in the settings. If you already own Vechain in an exchange, you just need to send your Vechain to your wallet, and yes, you'll start getting rewards. If you don't own Vechain, you can buy it and you can exchange it on the Exodus wallet, and then periodically check your wallet for Vechain Thor rewards. So through it looks nothing like's happening, but wait 10 seconds. After every 10 seconds, the time it takes for a Vechain new block or a set of transactions to confirm, you'll automatically receive this amount of Vechain Thor for every Vechain that you have. And that is as simple as that. Again, I'll touch on the calculator at the end. And then it also talks about, you know, Vechain nodes and staking pools. Again, like I said, Vechain is slightly different. You know, there's lots of mining pools. Vechain, it's not really irrelevant. There are benefits to it, and if you're interested in running roads, but you know, receiving token staking rewards isn't dependent on how much computing power you have. So there's not much need of staking pools. So that's a slight difference than when I touched on the 2 token method. So that's the simple staking. And if you are interested in the Vechain Insider, this is a very good article. Another good article on top of this to learning about running nodes. Another example I want to give is Atomic Wallet. So again, I've given you the official Vechain wallet, then you've got the Exodus and wallet, and this is another one. You know, Vechain works as a payment currency for business activities, and Thor is used as a fee for the smart contracts, as I've explained. The 30% of Vechain Thor is transferred as a reward to nodes and master nodes. So that's, you know, shows you the amount of people doing this. If you are looking to hodling Vechain long time frame, again, I'm more of a trader, but if you think Vechain is going to be massive in the next 5-6 years, watch my fundamental videos and my thoughts on Vechain. It's one of my favorite projects. Then you can, you know, you might as well stake it and increase your money on it. The Vechain staking wallet, again, I'll touch on the staking rewards. 1 Vechain Thor, you will need to hold about 23148 Vechain on your wallet to get about 1 Vechain Thor a day. If you're interested in, you know, making huge profits, you'll need to hold a lot of money to stake Vechain on Atomic Wallet. You need to install Atomic Wallet, send Vechain to your Atomic Wallet, and you wait for the distributions. Quite simple. Another example is Trust Wallet Community. I believe Atomic and Exodus is a more popular one, but again, very simple. There's 2 separate tokens. You send the money to the show examples of how you can put your money in, and it will automatically start generating Vechain. Before I get into the calculations, I'm sure you guys are here for that. What I want to touch on is the risks of staking, and Binance got a really good article. You know, there's mimicking passive incomes. There's lots of fake stuff. So again, please use the Vechain official websites, and these some of the ones I've talking about, and please do your research. And there's, you know, exposure. You know, if the price keeps dropping, transferring money, if some staking, you might have to hold it in there for years, and you might not be able to sell it when you want to. If you tie it up with Binance Earn, or, you know, transferring from wallet, you might not be able to sell it at the same time. And there's risks of Vechain going, you know, that's why the Vechain team is very important to know. Make sure you do your research. If there's an issue with the Vechain team, how the nodes and how people are running Vechain, that's an added risk as well if the team behind the cryptocurrency gets in trouble. So those are some of the risks that you should definitely be aware of. I personally like to trade more using price prediction, guys. Vechain BTC is the key level, and again, the post that I showed you earlier, let me find Vechain, was when Vechain BTC was breaking out of 100 sats. You can see it's 20th of January. I'll go back to that. As long as Vechain, guys, is above 100 sats, I think Vechain BTC heads towards 260 to 50 zone, and if Vechain BTC heads towards its previous all-time highs, guys, I see Vechain price in minimum doubling or even higher, because we've seen Vechain the 20th of January is when you can see it was breaking out of here just above 20 cent. 20th of January, yeah, it was breaking out of here, as you can see, above 20 cent. This is where I got interested in Vechain, and there was another position here, and if you go watch my previous video, guys, it's all documented. And then Vechain price has already gone up about 300% since then, and if Vechain BTC carries on breaking towards new high, I see Vechain towards the 20 cent level in the near future. As long as, you know, Bitcoin and don't go anything crazy, I see that price going. And now the final, but that's my price predictions, guys. I don't want Vechain BTC to start getting below there, and Vechain USD, I don't want it getting below 5 cent. It pull back to there, I'd look to buy some more. I don't want it getting below. Again, whenever I make a video, I always talk about the risks, so I don't want it getting below. If it does start getting below, I will have to be cautious. I'll post in the group, in the Rockstar Trading group, if it does happen. I've got my alert set, but those are two things I don't want. If Vechain starts getting above 10 cent, I'd look to buy more. Now the fun bit, the staking. So if you've got enough wealth, so I mean, you can see the title of the video, Millionaire Vechain. If you've got enough wealth to hold 10 million Vechain, you could be interested in, you know, running notes, because you increase your rewards. But if you're just holding Vechain and you're looking to earn Vechain, if you have 10,000 Vechain, the reward rate, these are the estimated earnings, and the key bit that's an assumption is the price of Vechain. If we say that the Vechain price is not going to move and stay where it is or potentially go down, you can see the earning really goes down. But if you're bullish on Vechain, you think it will go up 50%, you can earn about, you know, 50,000 a year. And if you're if you're very bullish, 100%, so if you think that, excuse me, my price prediction target for Vechain around the 20 cent level, Vechain will go around to that price. You could be earning a yearly earning, you know, this is compounded earning. You could be looking to earn about 100,000. If you're even more bullish and you think Vechain price is going to go a lot higher, 500%, that will mean the price of Vechain will be around the 50 cent level from the current prices, slightly below 50 cent. If you think Vechain will come to this level, your earnings could be almost near $1 million if you have 10 million. So now you might be asking that, oh Rocco, how much is it going to cost me to buy 10 million? Again, if you just type in, so let's do simple calculations, 10 million Vechain, the current price of Vechain is 0.79, so let's times that with 0.79. It would cost you about 790,000. Again, lots of people, I underestimate sometimes how much Vechain people are holding. If you got in early, you might be owning that much already. But if you're looking to get in now, that's a huge investment. But it depends on how much you have. If you're investing 100,000, you can reduce the calculations. You know, if you own a million, if you own a million Vechain, you just earn less than that. So that's just a rough calculation I'm sharing. And if you have a million Vechain and the Vechain price goes to that level, you could be looking to earn around this much price. So again, play with that calculation. Again, this is called the staking reward. It's a very good website. You can I use this for previous staking videos, and you can play with it depending on how much you're looking to invest. But if you want to make huge gains, and if you think Vechain will get to those levels that are shared, then you could be earning your rewards in staking Vechain could be huge. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've shared with you my price prediction and technical analysis and my thoughts on Vechain, the project. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll keep making Vechain videos. Make sure you like that button. So hit the like button, guys. Lots of people, you know, don't know about cryptocurrency. By liking these YouTube videos, not just my crypto, other crypto channels, it helps the crypto channels get more exposure, and we want to let more people in the industry. So make sure you like. And to end the video, what is your thoughts on Vechain staking? Do you like Vechain staking? Comment below your price prediction. Do you think, you know, 20 cent or 50 cent? What is your target for Vechain in this bull run? Comment below your price predictions for Vechain. So again, thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comment below. I'm happy to reply to you guys. If you're staking, any staking questions, or if you want me to make a node video or how to run a node, I'm happy to make a video in the future. And if you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below, especially if you do get a crazy bull market. It could be an opportunity of a lifetime. So if you are interested, I'll leave the links below. If not, guys, just comment below your thoughts on Vechain, comment below your price predictions. Any questions, let me know. And thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Vechain!